Stop checking the charts. The gold bars in your safe are getting heavier, but your net worth is getting lighter. Everyone told you that silver was the ultimate hedge. They said gold would hit $5,000 when the system broke. Well, the system is breaking, but the metals are not moving up, they are bleeding. Red candles everywhere. Is this a temporary dip, or is it the end of an era? The Financial Raccoon has the answer, and you might not like it. We are witnessing a paradigm shift. The old money is dying. The new wealth is digital. Let's talk about why your silver is turning into lead. Gold used to be the king of safety. In 2026, safety has a new definition. Safety today means speed. Physical metals are slow. You can't move them across borders in seconds. You can't stake them for yield in a decentralized app. Big institutional money is leaving the vaults. They are moving into high-frequency AI trading funds. They are moving into liquid digital gold tokens. When the giants leave, the floor drops. That is why the price is stagnant. The demand is shifting from atoms to bits. Section 2. The industrial silver myth. We were told silver would skyrocket because of solar panels. We were told EVs needed more silver than ever. That was true in 2024. But it's 2026. Innovation found a way around it. New graphene-based conductors are replacing silver. AI-designed alloys are cheaper. They are more efficient. The industrial mode of silver is drying up. Now silver is just another heavy metal. It has no massive industrial shortage. It has no massive monetary premium. It is caught in the middle. And the middle is a dangerous place to be. Why buy gold when you can buy computing power? In the 2026 economy, GPU power is the new gold. Wealthy individuals are not hoarding bullion anymore. They are hoarding processing time. They are investing in AI infrastructure. This is where the real purchasing power is. Gold doesn't produce anything. It just sits there. In a world of 10% monthly technological growth, sitting there is losing. If your asset doesn't grow, it dies. The opportunity cost of holding metals is too high. You are missing the biggest wealth explosion in history. The AI gap is leaving metal holders in the dust. Gen Z and Gen Alpha are now the market drivers. They don't trust things they can't see on a screen. They don't want to pay storage fees for a box in Switzerland. They want 24/7 access. They want instant swaps. They want smart contracts. Gold is dumb money to them. It's what their grandfathers bought. This psychological shift is permanent. You cannot force a new generation to value an old rock. Value is subjective, and the world is losing its subject for gold. Inflation is high, but interest rates are higher. When you can get 8% on a government-backed digital bond, why hold gold? Gold pays zero interest. Silver pays zero dividends. In a high-rate environment, metals are a liability. The carry cost is killing the small investor. People are selling their silver to pay their mortgages. They are selling their gold to buy AI-driven stocks. The safe haven is officially closed for renovation. Let's look at the scoreboard. Numbers don't lie. People do. 2 years ago, you had $10,000. You bought a heavy bar of gold. You felt safe. You felt like a genius. Today, that bar is worth maybe $11,500. A 15% gain. Not bad, right? Wrong. Your neighbor took that same $10,000. He bought NVIDIA. He bought the brains of the AI revolution. Today, his $10,000 is worth over $90,000. He didn't just beat inflation, he atomized it. While you were polishing your yellow rock, he was funding the future. Gold is a return of capital play. NVIDIA is a return on capital play. In 2026, if your money isn't working at the speed of light, it's standing still. And standing still is the fastest way to go broke. Watch what they do, not what they say. The Fed tells you the economy is strong. They tell you gold is a relic of the past. Then why are they hoarding it? Central banks in China and India are buying tons, literally, thousands of tons. They want you to hold the digital currency. They want you to stay in the system they control. They buy the hard floor while they sell you the digital ceiling. It's a giant game of musical chairs. They are grabbing the chairs, and they are leaving you with the music. They know the dollar is melting. They know the debt is a mountain. They buy gold as a last resort insurance policy. But they don't want you to have insurance. They want you to have confidence, because confidence is free. Gold is expensive. Don't be the exit liquidity for a billionaire or a bank. Here's the secret they don't tell you on the news. Gold is rare, but finding it was the hard part. Until now, AI has changed the geology game. Deep learning algorithms are scanning the Earth's crust. They see through the ground. They analyze satellite data and gravity maps. In the last 18 months, AI found 3 mega deposits. 1 in Africa, 2 in the deep ocean. Deposits that shouldn't exist. Suddenly, the scarcity of gold is under threat. When supply becomes predictable, the moonshot price dies. We're getting too good at finding things. The mystery of the Earth is being solved by silicon. If we can find it all, why is it precious? The supply shock is coming, and it's coming from a server room, not a shovel. Privacy is the soul of gold. You buy it, you hide it, no one knows. That's the beauty. But the digital dollar CBDC is the ultimate spy. By 2027, every transaction will have a footprint. If you buy gold, the government knows. If you sell it, they want their cut immediately. CBDCs allow for programmable money. They can block you from buying unregulated assets. They can tax your unrealized gains on your silver. The gold market used to be the Wild West. Now it's being fenced in. The walls are closing in. Your safe haven is becoming a glass house. And in a glass house, there is nowhere to hide your wealth. So what do? Do you throw your silver in the river? No, but you stop worshiping it. Treat it like a backup battery, not the main engine. The engine of 2026 is AI. The engine is data. The engine is speed. Don't let the gold bug bite you. It's a poisonous sting. It keeps you stuck in 1920, while the rest of us are moving to 2030. Diversify, adapt, or get left in the gap. The AI wealth gap is real, and it's made of silicon, not gold. Why is it so hard to sell? Because you're emotionally attached to a rock. You've been told for decades that gold is real money. Your brain is wired to think that if you can touch it, it's safe. But in 2026, the most touchable things are the most dangerous. They are slow, they are heavy, they are targets for theft. You are bag-holding a 19th century solution. In a 21st century crisis, the fear of being wrong is keeping you poor. You see the AI stocks climbing, you see the digital assets exploding, but you stay in your vault, waiting for a system collapse that already happened. The collapse wasn't a big bang, it was a slow migration. Everyone moved to the new city, and you're still guarding the empty ruins. Wake up. The value isn't in the metal, the value is in the utility, and gold has lost its utility. Let's talk about digital scarcity. People laugh at Bitcoin, they laugh at digital land, but look at the math. You can't print more than 21 million Bitcoins. The code is the law, but you can find more gold. We just talked about AI finding new mines. What happens when we start mining asteroids? This isn't sci-fi anymore. In 2026, private space companies are already testing deep space prospecting. One single metallic asteroid could contain more gold than all of human history. If that happens, the price goes to zero. In an instant, digital scarcity is protected by physics and math. Physical scarcity is just a lack of technology. And technology is moving at a speed you can't imagine. Do you really want to bet your retirement against the speed of light? When the world gets scary, buy gold. That's the old mantra. But look at the last few scary events. War breaks out, pandemics spread. Does gold double? No. It spikes for 10 minutes. Then it gets sold off to cover margins in the stock market. Gold has become the ATM for the rich. When they lose money in AI or tech, they sell their gold to stay alive. This means the very thing you buy for safety is what the big players use as their emergency cash. They are selling into your buying. You are providing them with an exit. A safe haven shouldn't drop when things get bad. But gold does, because liquidity is the only thing that matters in a crisis. And gold is the last liquid asset they have left. The 2026 smart money rotation. Where is the money going? It's moving into productive assets. Assets that generate cash flow. Assets that solve problems. Gold solves a storage problem. AI solves a survival problem. The smart money is building AI data centers. They are buying compute credits. They are investing in automated logistics. They want things that pay them while they sleep. Gold just sleeps. It doesn't work. It doesn't think. It doesn't innovate. In the AI wealth gap, the winners are the ones who own the brains, not the ones who own the rocks. The gap is widening. The middle class is staying with the metals. The elite are staying with the machines. Which side are you on? The final action plan before it's too late. Don't panic, but don't wait. Step 1. Audit your vault. How much of your net worth is sitting still? If it's more than 10%, you are at risk. Step 2. Look at the digital counterparts. Research tokenized assets. Research the compute economy. Step 3. Learn to prompt. AI is the tool that will find the next gold mine, whether it's in the ground or in the stock market. Knowledge is the only asset that doesn't have a supply shock. Invest in your own brain power. The raccoon doesn't want you to be a victim. He wants you to be a builder. The world is changing fast. The 2026 economy doesn't wait for anyone. If you're still listening, you're already ahead of 99% of people. But listening isn't enough. You need a community. You need the raw, unfiltered truth. Every week, I pull back the curtain on the AI wealth gap. I show you where the money is moving, and I call out the lies of the old system. If you want to stay on the right side of history, if you want to protect your family in this digital revolution, then you need to be in the nest. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. Don't let the algorithm hide the truth from you. Leave a comment below. Tell me, are you holding gold or are you building with AI? I read every single one. Welcome to Financial Talks. Let's get wealthy together. Stay sharp. The raccoon is watching.